guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a different kind of video. I'm gonna do a vlog rather than a cinematic car video that I usually do. For those who don't know, I actually moved from Miami to Orlando and I no longer live in Miami. So in the past 2 weeks, I've been doing adult stuff, I guess, life. I haven't been really to any car meets, I haven't been to any car shows. So today, finally, there's gonna be a car meet that I know about. And original JDM cars, a lot of RX-7s and Supras go out there. It's a really hyped up car meet or a car show, I'm not sure, but it takes place at Ace Cafe. That's all I know. And I'm very excited to go see what kind of cars Orlando car scene has. Because I know that from Miami, we like to go up to Orlando, Daytona, or West Palm Beach to see something good because we don't have it in Miami. So I'm very excited to see what the Orlando car scene is all about. And if you want to stick around, please give it a like, give it a subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, it will be awesome because I need to reach 1,000 subscribers if I want to get paid. Just kidding, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick along if you guys want to see some cool cars. And yep, pretty much it. Enjoy the vlog, guys.
A strange form, something.
Oh, I see Baby Leo. Baby Leo, hey, what's up? Bruh, so unfortunately we can't park inside.
Yeah, but I parked at an angle, so I had room for it, but I get you though. Yeah, nah, they ain't gonna let you, buddy.
No, but ask him if a car comes out, if I can go in.
Alright, so basically what's happening is we're trying to get into the car meet, but I guess we got there a little late. But I don't understand how several people are late. Whoa, there he goes. I guess he found some. Yeah, I guess he found a spot.
Take me home, it's the one place I can rest in peace.
Yeah, bro, he dropped me off and he was like, I'm out. I was like, that's my stuff.
That's Alberto Big Boost.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. So it turns out it's actually pretty live out here. This is literally the first row and there's a lot. There's many more to go. That's pretty cool.
Now I'll just move my car. And we just park next to me.
Yo, what are these guys taking pictures of? Hold up. Oh. Hey, I have a question. It's Honda swapped, I heard. K-swap. Oh, that's why it's in. There, that was you?
I see them, yeah.
Bro, look at the little tiny car, bro. It's a little Chiweenie. This is like true JDM. Yo, you don't see a little Chiweenie like this in Miami at all.
I turn on the lights just to have them on for the
And
time.
here we have the Puerto Ricans. Yeah. If I'm mistaken, this is a, what is that, Suzuki Cappuccino, right? Or something like that. I don't even know. Yo, correct me if I'm wrong. It just says that in the back, so whatever that means. Yo, these are some nice ass wheels. Dream wheels. Yo, what the hell? This is crazy.
Yo, this 240 is clean.
It is clean, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, no license. The last time I seen him, which was at that front spot, he has different wheels, right?
He has just a wheel.
So this is in 85.
Rules over these? I mean, these are works. I get them. I would like these better.
Just the difference. The only difference is the colorway. Hey, but no lie, I don't
just
know.
like the way these are set up.
These are built nicer in a way.
Yeah.
But those are work wheels. Oh
There's a
wow!
S15 right next to it.
Yo, there's an S15 right next to it.
And there's a R32 right next to it. With Gana doors. There's an MR2 right behind it. And there's a S2K
with
next
a K
to it,
series.
and then there's a Supra right next to it.
There's a fat tire Supra.
Picture of Alberto Big Boots. For that guy that knocked down his motorcycle.
Yo, what the? Is that a 2J? Oh.
I didn't even notice.
So it was converted from a GT to our.
It was 4J. At that one point.
Crocky, mate. So what we have here is a Gen 1 Supra.
Okay.
In other words, a BMW. It's not the first time Toyota pretty much copies off of BMW. This is what we got here.
Yo, Red.
hungry. We're gonna go eat now. Own fucking drift cars eventually.
Like, I'll probably buy something that a lot of people don't have though.
Yo, these burgers look beautiful. Like, look at them, bro. Like, look how. Oh my gosh. Yo, alright, that food was fire.
It's not a semi.
Wow, it's nice.
Oh, let's go see the lead. Let's go see the lead.
It's nice. Yo, do it again, do it again. The horn.
Yeah, turn. Hey, too low for that.
Yo, burn out, burn out.
Do a burnout.
Oh shit! Oh! Yo,
Is that a regular focus?
I thought I was gonna record an accident.
Just in case. I mean, even those.
Hey, we're in this corner,
full
so we're
send.
good. Hey, if you know how to do it, you can full send. You don't have to, but you know.
Sounds like has run.
Let me see.
Nah, he's too low. He's too low. He's too low.
Oh, you're good. Keep going. Keep going.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Hey, now get out of the way. He finna send this bitch.
Send that bitch. Make it pop. Make it pop.
Yo, fucking run, dog. That's just me. Oh my god. Oh, dude, the feds.
My boy said he'll pay for your ticket.
Oh, not chill. Yo, this is nice. Dude, it's so wild. Oh, that's so cool, bro.
Take one.
No way. It's a nice Beamer. Damn, bro, this is a nice ass car.
It's a very big boost.
Yeah, of course, the one and only. Oh damn, hold up. Oh damn, yo, no lie. The boy has drip. Holy crap. Yo, that's a sick banner. Where do I get that at?
Authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit, cause I ain't the one for a punk motherfucker with a badge and a gun to be beaten on. And thrown in jail, we'll let it be a black and a white one.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ford Ranger. Hey, nice Ford Ranger, sir. Alright guys, so we finally pulled up to a spot that's not crowded. We came up over here, we pulled up to take some pictures because the lights are pretty nice here. Alright guys, since I moved to Orlando, I want to do these vlogs like probably once a week, hopefully.
That's what I always say, and the next thing you know, I don't end up doing anything. So hopefully I can keep it consistent this time, but this is the kind of content that you guys will be getting. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are here for next video. Take it easy and peace out.